So this is my Chump. Unfortunately, it is not working fully, but I do have quite a lot of it working. I am having a trouble right now with specifically the program counter, and it's what it seems to be doing is having some sort of issue with line 1. So what our code is meant to do is shown right here. It's meant to read a 2. It is then meant to load that, but for some strange reason, my program counter is my program counter is skipping 1. So you see it's 0, then it goes straight to 2, then 3, then to 4. So it is skipping over the load, and instead of loading anything to my accumulator, it is instead just adding 1 to the accumulator. And then it is storing that value to my RAM, which does seem to be happening, and then it goes back to 0, which also does happen. So for the most part, it is working, but I cannot seem to find the problem in which my code goes wrong. I think it is due to there being some sort of problem with my program ROM and how it is being uploaded, because for some strange reason it's skipping that line from it's skipping line 1, right? So what I think it is that there is a go to 2 in the very first line of my code, and I'm not really too sure how to fix that, and I haven't figured that out, but I'm hoping to figure that out for the actual presentation. But as of right now, what this circuit is doing, it is counting from 0 to 15 on my accumulator, and it seems to be adding perfectly and going back and everything. So it's a bit weird, and it also seems to be storing to RAM, because this red LED is on the read-write pin of my RAM chip, which every single time there is a write, it turns off. And we know when you store something, it is indeed a write. So I'm going to attempt to debug this. I have already tried, but with no success. I've also found a lot of problems to do with the amount of power that's coming in, and so did other people in the class. But for some strange reason, whenever I try flipping this clock to manual mode, it continues to go, and that is and when I move these two wires, these two jumpers, down here, it doesn't seem to do that, and I really couldn't tell you why. I think it is due to some sort of power, just lack of maybe ampage, or I really couldn't tell you, but it's a very weird anomaly. So right now I just have it running in an astable mode. So yeah, I mean, I would like to see this working. However, it is it's just not quite there. So hopefully on my actual presentation, I'm able to show a working Chump. But for now, I'm going to have to debug this, and this is all I can show you for now. But yeah, thanks for watching.